course, the role of the local government of Baguio is to inspect all those aquatic products that are being sold in the market to ensure that they are safe for human consumption. Hand in hand with the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, we are conducting inspections in the city market to assure that, as I said a while ago, that all those aquatic products, including fish, crabs, are fit for human consumption. Just this morning, we conduct inspection together with BIFAR. Wala naman nakita sa market. Inspection lahat. Kaya safe yung binibinta sa market. We conducted an interview with the one who reported it. Nakausap namin kanina, wala na yung sample. Kasi, kaya ang stand ng opisina dyan sa BIFAR, we cannot identify yung crab kasi wala yung sample, picture lang. Kaya hindi ma-identify talaga yung crab kung poisonous o non-poisonous. Kasi kung hindi ma-identify yung identity ng crab, you cannot pronounce kung poisonous o non-poisonous. So actually, we have task force. We have meat, fish, monitoring task force. Kaya yung task force ang may bibigay ng penalty. Yung task force na ito is composed of several offices of the city which include our office, the market office, the POSD, the licensing division, the legal office, including BIFAR. So tingin namin siguro naihalo lang yon. Siyempre galing ng fisherman yon, inakyat sa binili ng trader, inakyat sa Baguio, tapos andun yun na nabinta. Hindi naman siguro intentional yun kasi isa lang eh. Isa lang. Kaya hindi naman siguro intentional. Kahit yung trader, kahit yung nagbinta, hindi rin alam na ibang crab yun. Pwedeng i-report naman sa market office, pwedeng i-report dito sa opisina namin, pwedeng i-report din sa BIFAR. Ang advice ko sa mga bumibili, siguraduhin din na physical appearance, maganda yung binibili nila kasi ma-assess mo naman kung fresh pa yung binibili mo o makakaiba yung binibili mo. Kaya ang importante niya kung if you are in doubt, report sa market office o report sa opisina namin. Of course, sa pag-business natin, pagtitinda, may rules and regulations you have to follow. Kung anong binibinta, sa fish, sa chicken, o even vegetables. Kailangan sundin natin yon. Pag hindi ka sumunod, ang consequence nyo yun, base sa batas. Kung anong may bibigay na penalty, you have to abide by the penalty.
Yung inspection lang namin, everyday inspection, pero kung minsan naman, hindi mo naman isa-isain tingnan yun. Kasi ang inspection namin, documentary. Tingnan namin yung papeles. Kung may papeles, pagkatapos tingnan namin yung physical appearance. Pero kung minsan, meron siguro yung nakikita kasi hindi mo isa-isain yun. Kagaya yung club sa maliliit, hindi mo naman isa-isain tingnan yun.
Dok, ada ba dagay instances nga apapa-seminar kayo or apapa-training sa mga vendors nga kastoy dagay poisonous and then
DJ sale of chicken and meat products kadayon. Dito aquatic products siguro anay na yun ang biti seminar kinyada.